Here we have a question that might test your understanding of the logarithmic function. The question is as follows. What are the integers a such that log base a plus 2 of negative a squared plus a plus 6 is defined? Let's start with a general case where we have log base b of x. So what are the restrictions of this function so that it is defined? First of all, b can't be negative, so it must be greater than 0. And b also cannot be 1. And for the argument, so x must be greater than 0. So let's see how that applies to this question. We want a plus 2 to be larger than 0. A plus 2 cannot be equal to 1. So therefore, a is larger than negative 2, and a cannot be equal to negative 1. Now let's look at the argument. Negative a squared plus a plus 6 must be greater than 0. So let's take the negative out of both sides, and we must remember to change the sign. So a squared, take 6 is smaller than 0. So let's factorize that. A plus 2, a minus 3 is smaller than 0. A is greater than negative 2, and a is smaller than 3. So therefore we'll organize this to give negative 2 is smaller than a, which is smaller than 3. So let's see which integers satisfy this inequality. So here we'll just list what integers satisfy this inequality. A could be equal to negative 1, 0, 1, 2. But from here, we see that it cannot be negative 1, so we'll exclude that. And 0, 1, 2 satisfies this inequality, so we're done.